Hey guys, what's going on? I'll give you guys a little bit of an update. As you can see, the wall behind me is no longer pink. It is honest blue. I don't know why they put words like that in front of a color. What makes the blue so honest? Interesting. However, so for probably about 3 days, and you could still see a little bit in a couple of spots. You could still see a little bit of the pink coming through, but since I've been staring at these damn walls freaking so long, I don't know if I'm finding them all. So when my wife gets back, I told her, you need to look at the walls to see whether or not there's anything that I need to, or that we need to hit. So this room is now honest blue. I put this is going to be my wife's office. So about 3 days, probably about 4 days, I've painted the walls. The trim in this room is good. The trim in the hallway is good. The trim in our bedroom is good. We still got to do the trim in the living room, and we'll go out there in a second. But I replaced all of the wall plates, all of the switches, with the exception of the bathrooms, and every single one of the plugs. And there was quite a lot. And I actually did a good job because I almost killed myself once. Now here's the hallway. It's a lot better color, isn't it? And here's the honest blue in this bedroom. I also replaced these ones, but I wanted to make the wall plates a little bit different in every room. So this style is completely different than that style. And then for the living room and the hallway, I put those ones on. As you can see, it's a lot brighter. Still got to get up there. And there's the difference between the two paints. So it's not too bad, it's going. And if you want to know why that is like that, once I put that paint on there, you could see the tape lines. So I had to go up there, put a little bit of, what did I get? Spackling. Put a little bit of spackling up there. That should take care of that. So once I paint over it, it should be completely flat, not fat, and you shouldn't see the lines anymore. Here's the kitchen. Did it the same color. As you remember, that was the freaking yellow that was on here. So there's the hallway. And now here's our bedroom. There's the honest blue. And this is the style. Yeah, I kind of screwed up down here when I was taking that switch off. I didn't cut it underneath where the paint was, and I pulled it and ripped it. But there's the style. And I finally got a mattress. I have not slept on a freaking mattress in like a week and a half. Been sleeping on the couch. But it's going. Oh, the other thing, that door is eventually going to come out. Get a nice set of French doors. Should outswing, inswing. So that should look really nice. Once that's done, I did get the door that has the blinds in the middle, so I don't even have to freaking buy the blinder up there. So that is cool. I still need to do the fans, and I still need to do the bathroom fans. So can't do that until my wife gets back because I need to jump up in the attic just so I can actually get those in there perfectly. It's not really a two-man job, but if you do a two-man job, two-person, however you want to phrase it, it's a lot smoother. Goes a lot quicker. We have to sand that. Okay. But I did make my way over to the storage unit. Everything is out of the storage unit with the exception of my tools, the dolly, and the MGB. As far as what the MGB looks like, it actually looks a lot better than I thought it did. I thought it was. I thought I was going to open that, get all that stuff out, and then see nothing but surface rust all over it. So the spray paint worked. Helped me out a little bit, but that's a little bit of an update. Ceilings are done, walls are done. Well, almost. We still got to redo the bathrooms, getting somebody in here to do the tile. I'd love to attempt to do the tile, but the hardest thing about doing the tile is to get it even. You know, maybe one day I'll screw around and just get you know, because I'll probably have some tile left from the bathrooms. That's almost a guarantee. So maybe I'll just get a piece of wood and screw around with it. You know, maybe learn how to do it. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. This is how it's going. Oh, hopefully I can make an MGB video here pretty soon, because I'm getting sick and tired of working on houses. I want to work on my damn car. I want to get that thing done. So I'm thinking maybe an MGB video within probably a week or two. I'll probably do a video. We'll do a short little video of what it looks like when I get it back here. That way you can actually see it. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Yeah, things are going okay. Finally, it feels better. Oh, yeah, I guess I should probably say that, you know, I was painting the ceiling up here, and I did here all the way back and all the way over, and I did it with the trim paint. As you can see the little bit of shininess that I missed uncovering it. So I had to thank you to my wife for pointing that out to me, because she was like, "What are you doing?" And I said, "What do you mean? I'm painting the damn ceiling." She said, "That's not the paint." I said, "What are you talking about?" She said, "That's the trim paint." Ugh. So I had to do it all over again. Just that half though. But I did do that half. I was like, all right, you know, maybe the paint will match. Let me do that half and then compare it. That half was like the ceiling flat, and that was so shiny. I was like, well, I can't get away with that. But hey, you know, that's what happens when you get a little bit tired and you just want to get it done. You just start dumping paint and freaking start painting. But alright guys, just wanted to give you a little bit of heads up, what it looks like, how it's going. Like I said, I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Whatever you're doing, I hope a lot of you guys that have families, I hope you guys are spending time with your families, because family time is very, very important, in my opinion. I think that if you have a family, I think you should spend as much time as you possibly can with your family. Alright, take it easy. Peace.